abusuafo nyina ho ye the last time I did Komona, it appears a lot of who yeah, I mention of and I don't pay almost 3 weeks on. What me I could do here?
Well, back in the Manhyia, a chief one, Manhyia also, Manhyia North from Persiaso.
Akoma FM.
Oh, Cabana, watching me and Sana who you maybe let me home, sir, because they said the Nipa could pay. And I disobey to be the Ashamin, and then no church was any park in Nana. We suffer because of needing a dear OD. Now, we be as to be tea, the air canal. Not seeing now you come maybe. Diana. And the animal far forms of a call vetting committee in here, you know. Moon, may I never make a clear name, even when you see anomalies, not me sitting and if others and never pointing out to that person.
Akoma FM.
Of normal. And you are telling could travel national. The call you a John Boyd, the Coturia, Madame Richard Sobari, the National Fair Vice Chairman. The control the elections and research officer of the party, we are Ivan Timako, and I'm one of the deputy communicators. Now, Nabu, the governor, Ashanti Regional Governor, Ashanti Regional Chairman, also to meet in India. MP for Ashanti Achim Central, Honorable Ahmed Nombi, and Honorable Ainre, no also Tinubi. Then a decision was taken at the national, and the decision came to reinforce what the committee of the constituency elections committee, I supervised the electoral area and polling station elections, okay. If anybody doubts that, that is the person's own idea. Now, the said, the Nipa that said, Quatna senior can't say no, but Danin and the mat, Nipa Nimbi. And I want to because the end of the matter is idea electoral to where it will never change, and I'm telling anybody, it will never change. So yes, the decision was said. The decision that was taken by the elections committee concerning polling station elections stands. But however, should be carried on through to the end. What was through to the end? After vetting, the committee realized, Diana also aware, giving evidence, they show evidence in the bill. Will be our platform for the Konobo, the Konoba, all fake party cards near the Abemudia. Why must that person be allowed to contest an election? Such a person is not doing fake. And you must be bold enough to say these things.
And national, national executives, because we told them my bomb election in Iguana Mobeto from
Akoma FM.
And my was just simple question. Again, you can't say, were you able to confirm from the national see about the Abeto? The region is there. I say the regional chairman was in that meeting.
Okay.
Now what you mean saying they never say so. Say about elections, they will never two elections there for.
So decision
that happened was the decision of the committee after the voting because it said Nipa no mobile number contest from Yafo. Almost all of them, and let me repeat it, almost all of them. And if anybody tries going for it, that person will go to jail. And I'll repeat it again. Because of a criminal offense. I'm telling everybody. Now nobody is going to hear the call from performing at JBM. It is far gone. And you must bring decency and equality and integrity to our party. And it's the decision of the National Party. So the National Party actually the process will continue. So as I see clear, and the electoral area coordinators elections has been done. Manhyia North is done and finished. It's dusted.
Oh, I see. Bibia, for now you are done with Manhyia North election.
Yes, we are done with Manhyia North elections. They are only waiting for the constituency elections when they say the date is set for the 22nd of April or any other day thereafter.
But we are always saying my election in court.
You are telling me for the first time.
Oh, this is serious. You are not aware saying the court.
I am just hearing from you this morning when you first called me.
I see.
And I would want to know can a person who is planning the party in a court?
Me wa mo court yini bi wa ha this
also.
Yes, in the Superior Court of Judicature, the High Court of Justice Kumasi, Hugh Tego Robert N.A. house number.
Hugh
Yeah, Hugh Tego Robert
I think so. Objective the bit to say be a very
yeah now so Doreen Amankwa Sante Mochizongo Malam Joe Mochizongo yeah
Ebi sa mi na o mo di ni nkusiri. But you know what such a woman crama de na ye yakra mo. Let me tell you a very simple question. And so okay say me you know because every single person will take his from Biana. I had made sure that I make sure say the panel may him in Bia. Because we went thoroughly, the elections committee went through everybody. Let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
A person like this, and I'm going to send you something right now on your own personal phone.
Okay.
And put it up on the screen.
Okay.
If such a person, not a person or back or party, and that person goes to fake a party card.
Oh, okay. Okay. Allegedly, fake party cards, nibi. I'm sending you a document, and I want you to show that document. Send the messages here, and I will show it to my cameras. Therefore, everything me join here on Facebook page. Our Akoma 87.9 FM.
I would want to have a number to show this to. If I'm a producer and send me high, let me show you that. Send it to you right now.
Okay.
That's we talk. You should just send me high on WhatsApp, and let me send it to you.
Okay.
Okay, you told me that the decision. So, again, this section. And the 2020 Electoral Commission voters ID card picture. Electoral Commission voters ID card picture. And you have not scanned your party card is someone in 2016. Such a person knows how to party in court.
I see.
Such a person in the party in court. And why do you have to do this to yourself? Again, why?
So, I'm surprised.
I've sent you a document. See that document.
Oh, okay. Okay. Production. I think mobile activity that for me now. He was Tego one of those are more disqualified. No? Yes. Or your first plaintiff. I mean, among the 13 or 15 plaintiffs, no, or your first person on the decline.
Number yeah. And then I'm going to Akoma FMCCA. Now we have a YD card. No, scanning their two computers. No, the picture. And that picture. No, there are two YD cards. So the two YD cards is really no about the ID card is the cost 2018 and not 2018. Oh, yeah, do you know what he has done? No, a court, no, a see Akoma FM. No, a see Akoma FM. No, Kaba even is saying to be clear.
Almost cited the defendant Daniel Gerard or Yahya.
I don't know about Daniel Gerard, the News or Elections Committee Chairman on Manhyia North.
And Anthony Jemfia may answer Yahya.
I don't know about I think you are showing it. Show the camera.
Okay.
Okay. So now the 2020 voters ID card.
I tell you, because he couldn't do allege this Hughes. This supposed to be Hughes Tego. He will take as
and then the forms that they are to keep it's not supposed to be. It is. Go to the electoral commission ID card.
Independently, mean verified. You know.
No, so go to
these
the
are
document.
Okay. Now
the electoral commission voters ID card.
Now I tell you, our Facebook page. Now, but more election now, more to know. And yet, more electoral card now, more the election no.
That is why the person will give the true identity of himself. That is why he attaches the electoral commission voters ID card. So then when we say only the so show that one and let's talk about it.
I see. And
show that one. So electoral commission then you find your call MPP party card mission.
So the electoral commission card no Walker mama me the electoral commission card. Now this is the electoral zoom in the kakrama me na minya the clear and the picture. So this is the new patriotic parties and more card. Where your party card and no party card member. Tego Precious.
Oh, where a party card member. Have you seen the picture now also on my circle? Have you seen it?
Yes. Well,
go to the electoral commission. This is dated 2016. Can work I say. Okay, on picture number one.
Exactly.
On date was here issue man in 2016.
Okay.
Go to the Electoral Commission 2020 voters ID card. You should look at this picture very well and go and compare to that picture. This is 2016.
Okay.
Go to that picture also.
I see.
Go to that picture.
We'll get that clarity. Walk up, mama, the voters ID quickly on that. Nafi, you understand? Is this already mama no the well fake idea a criminal offense.
That's it. Again,
not taking it up. Not taking it up already.
That is why they are sinking themselves in all the refugees are sinking sand. They are being encouraged to jail themselves. That is what they are doing. And take it from me. Again, the criminal matter. Now, what's the question? Because two parties, you fake the party's ID card.
Okay.
That's why the party
walk up per electoral commission. Okay.
The electoral commission voters ID card.
No, this is the electoral commission ID card.
That is all pictures are 2020. Let any reasonable mind a from functioning. All picture 2020. This same picture. It's about 2015. So what party card the party has court? Are you sabi you can normally why do you and this person writes on his form so he's freelance journalist. And I'm why do you have to do this to ourselves? Look at this picture. Compare. Go and compare.
Okay.
Taking this to a side.
But so what now say obetime use one picture. Be trying the at all.
The mistake you are also doing is I didn't want you mistake. You don't let us encourage that. 2020 electoral commission 2020 electoral commission picture
yeah, you are right.
No, there are two pictures or there are two ID cards or computers. No, the ID card number
yeah.
If the banishment as a picture from 2015, 4 years ago, NPP card so don't let us encourage that.
And no, I'm most suspect say we're faking the document and to not disqualify.
I was but you should be able to educate listeners also. At the end of the day, let us be bold enough to say suspect.
Okay. Mami find out the reason these individuals at the issue no echo court. And in the plaintiffs are bare 13, 14 no. Alaji Castro is supposed to be one of them. Castro Bibi Abako there. We are youth organizer at the Manhyia North constituency for the New Patriotic Party. One more court no can.
Kofi midawase chia otiefonya na machia party for ntia omo Manhyia North a omo si omo mpe asisi enti omo ama omo homeno so se omo the party mra na mra be adwuma no mtia sa mra ntie no. Yes,
but I no pay information here and say you are done with Manhyia North polling station election. The Akai constituency there. That is the member of parliament. Oso mo wie nyame adom mo wie bibia.
Kofi the mekan say akoti kone du minim boni Manhyia North for the ayeno se Manhyia North for e de ne ka o de wonka ni aka kasa me de papa ko chibo si ala ma be tia ne ka no Manhyia North for yanya asunje Argentina sabi tupi ba ko o be di ye abon onam so o di be di MP no and now say abon no o mpe bi mu yan tonkini.
What is the problem?
Allegations akoti kone du ayeno alo pa nyina no. Allegations when you know so and in the election committee and the secretary and the year for that album bia yakwa national okoyo sa allegation ni nyina wa just secretary party penifan ka tell say amabo die enye self blame no so na dintino yakwa sa abo to kan ye ka tell say new basis sa allegation we nyina no unfounded allegation Come on. The MP didn't command of pay. Everybody was ya wa party for our mason party from 1992 be kwa na ya wo party mu ya wa abonu e tu nko to mo twere e ko fa from ba ya mentani ta abonu na newly created police stations, you know. Yes, now you need consultancy in Koso. Almost very woman journey at Mama Party 2020, no, you know, would you come? And someone in our national auto, you know. What about I born it, you know, and I'll call over that, so blue and then the red and black, and I was already a babontin, and I'll be just out of Kotwaba. And on a party Manhyia North constituency in the said that we know, National Executive Committee or Mutumiso. Now, we know they are not Kotwa. You're the injunction. Many are no Kataria for a Akoma. For a national form. And the woman, one Katako for another track. All one Katako injunction notice, no, and the Akoma chairman and secretary there. Yet the injunction appears soon. It is not what was our Kotwaba.
Also, I mean, and he's not aware.
I'm not talking about the and now I'm a son of her. And now executive mini election committee, not a single member in the university one electoral area or Quaco by said, oh, you know, no contempt.
Also, in fact, I guess
now I'm saying, you have to find a good form. Oh, baby, yes, I saw for me. You're going to follow the Yatoba. If you want to what is the mission of what is the police station? You have to police station about your coordinator. Now, if you don't know what you know, what is the about police station about? And what I'm to coordinator now. And some young family. And some Fabi, our national young, I had the party to know. You are all to watch them. And the Fabi is court. MP, I want to Parliament of Samra. I want to put him also.
And what you are telling me now, Penny, somebody a munyan toy, but anti contempt to Masevo, sir, or a defendant was soon now, Masevo.
But I tell you, you're several legend, true, I come out of my regional secretary, and play. Maybe at the committee, true, I'm woman. I will deputy woman organizer for the constituency.
Okay, maybe Maminya misunderstanding. Okay, I think question line is off, but now can we find out say or you aware say the election committee executive. Yeah.
But my number is in that. Me tell them that on about what you do.
Portable.
On to me the empty back over the no I'm the teacher myself from him.
Okay.
Me tell them what one year. You see a baby and told me, but people are not better. I'm not better than 137 police stations. You have to police station. If you are 7 electoral areas, I won't know. Young Colin, you could be started. Young Colin, see a 2 baby electoral area will be one. That be it's all doing now. Feel it. No one can to put on go hotel. What do you mean?
That is a Anamo because from member of parliament more
I'm not telling no matter how court. Only I won't let him say court to make matter more. And I also the petition come and someone can say I'm Americano. You're being an for and someone in on Moody and all of Moody. Party. And you never told my party.
Okay.
So I look at Panama. But my country says, I could call away. Come on, your party, but now grammar school.
I know they are same found. I know they are
found. Oh,
Penny will fear your penny and son. You ever war him in Jerry. Okay.
I could do it to me, talk to your bedroom. At the end of the no.
Okay.
I see and then watch now. I'm not in the bio, so I do ya. I didn't have I don't buy no ya. I feel okay on king. What would you
say? At the time, I'm here on 1 month. Timamin Fawusia. My time national. I need to wrap up. But
what do you say? Until I ran the way, you find a fee. I could call the
So for higher Manhyia North is boiling. I can tell you, Satafo na pay Manhyia South. I pin so na Akoma. You be nyada ajini yedin komo. Very. We are done with Alaji Castro and Manhyia North. But said they would the member of parliament. You know, or say about Omatwewi to be anywhere and not on functional dreams or Matwewi. Yam faster that Emma 21st clinic. 21st clinic